Are you a DIY enthusiast who values professional quality and regularly takes on larger renovation projects? Or do you want to give your home a completely fresh coat of paint? Then Master Painter Andy will now introduce two all-round devices for this.
Exactly, Eva. We have two airless devices here, both of which have direct suction from the original container. They are suitable for use on large projects with emulsion or paint and low viscosity materials such as primers and varnish.
Great, that means I don't have to decant anything, but can start straight from the bucket or container depending on what I have.
Correct, suction hose in the bucket and off we go.
And is this the suction hose?
Exactly, that's the hose. We can simply insert it into the original container and then we can get started.
Yes, the devices are different sizes. Perhaps you could tell us something about both devices and how they differ.
The Control Pro 250M allows you to get started straight away with versatile applications as it comes complete with interchangeable tips for both paints and emulsions included in the scope of delivery.
Okay, so you don't have to buy anything extra.
Exactly.
You have the complete package and can get started.
Open the box, take out the machine and let's go.
Okay, great. And this device is much bigger and probably has more power, but you can't get started straight away, or does it actually come with almost everything?
Not quite. I'll get to that in a moment, because this machine is even more powerful. It's the Power Painter 90. That means you can work with high viscosity, for example, thicker materials, and also have a higher flow rate. So the airless sprayer is designed for everyday use and can be tailored more precisely to the material thanks to a wide range of nozzles.
Okay, so that's for the professional and for the ambitious DIYer?
Yes, the Power Painter 90 is just a classic entry-level device for us professionals.
Okay, but if I have a big project as a DIY enthusiast and I'm confident about it, then I also have a powerful device with a large selection of tips, but I would buy them separately depending on which products I'm processing.
Exactly. If you have a bigger project and want to apply a variety of different products, then I would definitely choose this option.
Okay, so that would be more for the small projects and that?
Both are for large projects, but if you have regular projects, then I would use this one. If you just have a project once in a while, then that one.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.